Welcome to Trade2crypto. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create your account and get started. First, click on the referral link provided by your friend. If you don't have a referral ID, no worries. Just click on Click to get referral ID. This will generate the company's default referral ID for you. Next, enter your active email ID. Make sure it's a valid one, as you'll receive an important confirmation message. Now, fill in your full name, exactly as it appears on your official documents. After that, select your country from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number without the country code. Now, it's time to create a strong password. Type it carefully and then re-enter the same password in the confirmation box. Once all details are correctly filled, click on Register. You will receive an email confirmation containing all your login details. Do not share this information with anyone to keep your account secure. Now, let's log in. Go down, then click on Login. The Trade2crypto login page. Enter your email ID and the password you just created. Before clicking Login, make sure to fill in the CAPTCHA. This step is mandatory. Without it, you won't be able to access your account. For convenience, you can check Remember Me, so you don't have to enter your details every time. Finally, click Login, and congratulations! You are now inside your Trade2crypto dashboard. In the next video, we will show you how to activate your account and explore all the dashboard features. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates on Trade2crypto.